So just wanted to do a quick overview of the multi-tool that I bought recently. Since now I have the second bike, I need a second multi-tool, so had a look online. Had a look at kind of one of the lightest and smallest, but more comprehensive of the multi-tools, and this got really good reviews. It's the Crank Brothers M19, and as the name suggests, it has 19 different tools on it. They say it weighs 175 grams. It comes in various colours, which I bought the gold. And it comes in a little carrying case, which is handy. Nice and neat. Packs away. So far so good. Feels very sturdy. It's got really good reviews online. People using it quite a while, had no issues. So what do you get with it? So you get a 2mm Allen key, 3mm, 4, 5, and 6mm, and then the 8mm open wrench on that side. And then on this side you get the 2.5mm Allen key, the T10 Torx, then the number 1 Phillips head screwdriver, small one, flathead screwdriver, number 2 Phillips head screwdriver, bigger one, and the T25 Torx on that side. On this side you have the chain tool, the different sprocket tools, 0, 1, 2 and 3. Obviously the chain breaker as well. That's 19 tools in total. Just check to see what weight it actually is. $172 grams. That's great. And with the case, it is 215 grams. You're not going to feel that. And what I got for the new bike, the Live, I got a Topeak small Aero saddlebag, so I'm not sure what litre it is. I'll put it in the description. But it's very small. Because the tyres are tubeless now, I don't really need to bring a lot with me. Obviously don't need to bring a spare tube or anything like that, so this small one's plenty. Obviously clip bars always, so you can see how small and neat that packs in, even to the smallest of or a quite small saddlebag. So yeah, really happy with it.